Welcome to Focus All Motors. Today we take a deep dive into the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350, a motorcycle that blends classic design with modern performance. Is this the ultimate city-friendly roadster? Let's find out. The new Hunter 350 retains its bold, muscular styling but now features updated graphics and fresh color options. Its sculpted fuel tank, compact dimensions, and retro-inspired touches make it stand out in the crowded urban motorcycle segment. Whether parked or in motion, it exudes an aggressive yet approachable presence. Under the tank lies the familiar 349cc, air-oil-cooled, single-cylinder engine. Producing around 20.2 horsepower and 27 Nm of torque, the Hunter 350 is designed for effortless city commuting and relaxed highway cruising. The engine has been fine-tuned for smoother throttle response, making the ride feel more refined than ever. On the road, the Hunter 350 feels agile and lightweight. With a curb weight of approximately 181 kilograms and a shorter wheelbase, it offers nimble handling, perfect for weaving through traffic and tackling sharp corners. The front telescopic forks and twin rear shock absorbers strike a balance between comfort and stability, ensuring a confident ride on varying road surfaces. Technology-wise, the 2025 model features an updated semi-digital instrument cluster, providing real-time fuel economy, gear position indicators, and trip navigation. The optional Tripper navigation pod offers turn-by-turn directions via Bluetooth connectivity, while a USB charging port ensures your devices stay powered during long rides. Safety has not been overlooked. The Hunter 350 is equipped with disc brakes on both ends, supported by dual-channel ABS for controlled braking. The wide 17-inch tubeless tires provide reliable grip, offering confidence in both dry and wet conditions. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Hunter 350 delivers an impressive 35 to 40 kilometers per liter, making it an economical choice for daily riding. Priced competitively at around 1.80 lakh rupees, the 2025 Hunter 350 remains an attractive option for riders seeking style, performance, and practicality. For those looking for a motorcycle that combines classic charm with modern-day features, the new Hunter 350 is a compelling choice. Its easy handling, responsive performance, and well-rounded package make it ideal for both new riders and seasoned motorcyclists. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Focus All Motors for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. Until next time, ride safe and stay tuned for more.